Assalamu alaikum, respected teachers, parents and my dear friends. I am going to say benefits of memorizing Quran. The noble Quran is the greatest book ever because it is the words of Allah. The Quran is no distortion, forgery, mistakes or doubts. In Surah Baqarah, Allah says, Alif Lam Mim, Zalikal Kitabu la Raiba Fih, Hudan lil Muttaqeen. Our Prophet ﷺ encouraged us to read, understand and learn the Quran by heart. Our Prophet ﷺ taught us the person who knows more Quran by heart is the one worthy to lead Jamaat prayer. He told, "Khairukum man ta'allama al-Qur'ana wa 'allama." The best of you are those to study Quran and teach it. Quran can be our passport Jannah. On the day of judgment, Quran will recommend for our forgiveness. There is wonderful prize too. If you read one letter, you will get 10 deeds. If you read with difficulty, you will get double the rewards. So my dear friends, you should memorizing Quran as much as possible. Allahumma jal Qur'an rabi'a qalbi wa noora sadri wa jala'a huzni wa dhahaba hammi. Amin. Assalamu alaikum.